it's flat.
Oh yeah, I see. Yep.
It should, but it's not.
You're gonna need a little bit of grease. Let's cut those straps off.
By far the hardest thing to do was the floor. That took the longest time in the dismantling of the travel trailer. You guys gotta find a new home, so I'm gonna leave this open for you a few days. So you guys can find a new home. I'm just trying to get to my frame. Ugh. How'd they get that on there? That's so bad. Look at that. Oh, God. Fucking gross. There they are. They're in there. Crawling.
Ooh, lots of ants.
Yeah, I'm trying to be somewhat careful with them, right? I don't hurt them. Yeah. When we bought this RV, we weren't 100% sure that the frame was in really good shape, which was what we really needed. So the whole point of doing this and working this hard was to reveal this part of the frame and to make sure that it was perfect. Oh my God.
Keep cutting back to the next. Oh, the grate, the black tanks.
Oh, okay.
I'm smashing on top of the bag.
Doesn't matter.
No. Well, I crack it open and got poopy on me.
Oh, ant. Where are you going, bud? I know. I'll put them all together.
As far as I can see, it just needs a little bit of grinding.
Yeah, it needs grinding and painting.
Yeah. It's a nice. I don't see any holes.
Oh, fuck. You gotta be careful. Oh my God, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
No, that's beautiful. Hold on, I'm gonna peel it, cut it back so I can peel it all the way back to that piece of wood so we can just have a nice little look at it. Yeah, we gotta get it. After the excitement of finding out that the frame was in really good shape and it just needed sanding and painting, we continued on removing the walls of the travel trailer.
Hold on.
We also set to work removing the couch that was left inside, and Sean continued on to remove all the windows and doors. Once we finished removing all the windows for the safety of broken glass, that's when we really started to begin to work tearing down the remainder of the inside. So we're trying to keep things in 3 separate piles. So we've got wood, which we're planning on burning all the wood. And then this is like plastic, just straight up garbage. And over here is going to be the scrap metal.